Quick and easy guacamole recipe. Yield, approx. 1/2 cup. Prep time, 5 minutes. Total time, 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 lime, juiced, 3 cloves garlic, crushed, 1/2 red onion, diced, 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, cumin, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Directions: 1. Mash all the ingredients together in a small bowl with a fork. 2. Serve on a taco bowl, tempeh tacos, burrito bowl, or with tortilla chips. Enjoy. Notes: 1. Storage, best if enjoyed right away, but you can store in the fridge for up to a day. 2. Variations, make it spicy with a dash of sriracha, or add chunks of fresh tomato. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.